Meaning of duchy.
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 Duchy. A duchy is a territory or state that is ruled by a duke or duchess. This type of political entity was common in medieval and early modern Europe. The term duchy specifically refers to the geographical area that is under the authority of the duke or duchess, as well as the government that they oversee. Dukes were often nobles who held significant power and influence, both politically and militarily, over their duchies. The relationship between a duchy and its ruler was typically hereditary, with the position being passed down from generation to generation within a particular noble family.